Now, cutting corners when exporting food is the biggest sign of a stupid business person. Now, you see, look, buyers will always find out the truth about your poor quality. And how do you cut corners? You cut corners by choosing the cheapest packaging that does not look like what foreign customers are used to. You use transparent, cheap nylon with a label printed from a low-quality printer. Then you wonder why you did not get a repeat order. You get your raw materials from sellers with the worst standards who have mixed the core products with the cheapest ingredient so you can make more money. You know, people taste your food and they wish they had not wasted $2 they spent on it. And then you wonder why you did not get a repeat order. You know, your labels show no form of compliance with laid down regulations, no manufacturing date, no best before or expiry date, no FDA or other regulatory body sign of approval. Then you wonder why you did not get a repeat order. Look, you did not get a repeat order because customers who bought your products regret it. And when they went back to the store, they will complain of its low quality. Yes, that's why you don't get a repeat order. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. You see, when a retailer abroad wants to try your product, always remember that you have just one chance to make a good first impression. Just one chance. Don't blow it with substandard products. You won't have that chance again. So for those of you who have been struggling to get buyers abroad, those of you who don't get a repeat order, do this. Go back, take a look at your product and ask yourself this one question. If I saw my product on a foreign supermarket shelf with similar items beside it, will I choose it? You see, if you can't answer this with 100% certainty, then go back and rework your products. And if you don't have the resources to make it better, then trust me, export is not for you. You need to focus on the local market and let those who have the capacity to earn in dollars focus on export. Don't deceive yourself that some magic retailer will like your poor quality product. Now, as usual, follow this channel if you want to know how to develop a product that buyers will always want.